So here the refractive index of glass slab is given as n is equal to 1.62, and we know that, so this let me draw the ray diagram. So here we have an incident beam which is being incident at an angle I, and then it gets reflected. Let's call this as r prime, and then it bends towards the normal, and let's call the angle of refraction as r. Now we can write n is equal to sin I by sin r, and also we know that r prime plus r plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So this gives us r is equal to 90 minus r prime, which is also equal to 90 minus I, because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection r prime. So n becomes sin I by sin of 90 minus I, which is nothing but tan I, and this is equal to n. So the angle of incidence is going to be tan inverse of 1.62.